Hello and welcome, and thank you for your interest in the Vivid Maybelline Color Sensational Vivid Hot Lacquer Lip Gloss. Now, I have 11 different shades available as of right now, and this one is number 60 Tease. Now, this video should give you a better idea of the true color of these lipsticks so you can make a better decision. Also, it will give you a great idea of the condition of these as well. Now, this is a liquid lipstick, so it does settle. So if you see a little missing here, that's just because that has settled in here. This is kind of like it is a liquid. It's kind of like a paste kind of thing. So that does settle. This is, again, number 60 Tease. This next color is 62 Charmer. It's just a little bit of a darker shade than the last one. And these are all sealed. As you can see, these seals are intact here. Now this shade is 64 Unreal. Again, just a little bit of a difference, a darker shade than this last shade. This one is a little bit more pink. This is 66 Too Cute. Has a little bit of a more pinkish tone to it. Now this one is very pink. This one is number 68 Sassy. And it certainly is. It is a beautiful kind of fuchsia colored pink. Now, this one is number 70, So Hot. This is more of a almost classic red. Not, I mean, it is a little more orangey than a classic red, but it is very close to that classic red. This one is number 72, Classic. This is a kind of just a bit darker than that last one that I had, but it is a darker, more classic red. And then we have number 74, Retro, which is kind of like a brownish burgundy color. It does have a red tint to it, but it does have an awful lot of browns to it as well. I hope you can see that clearly in here. I really can't see what my phone is recording. This is number 76, Obsessed. This is kind of like a pinky purple, but it is really a gorgeous color. I love this color. It's very pretty. And this is number 80. The name on it is Major. Now, if you can really see the blue coming out in there, I'm glad this one has settled just a little bit. That's why I didn't shake it up, because I wanted you to see that blue coming through there, so you can get a better idea of the blue color that this really is, seeing that it is so dark down here where the rest of it is. I wanted that blue color to pop out for you so you can see that blue. And this one is 82 Slay It. This kind of looks like a black lipstick. Very, very dark colored lipstick. There is no, like I said, it just plain looks black to me. Again, that is color 82 Slay It. Now, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope that helps you to make your decision on which shade you would like. And thank you very much for your interest in my store and your interest in my listing.